Hello everyone and welcome back. If this is your first time viewing my channel, what you're looking at is the iPlanner. This happens to be the Cassidy horizontal, and this is part of a series that I'm doing just to keep the videos kind of shorter and broken up. So this is the second part, and like I told you in the last video, that we're going to learn how to make our palettes and add them to the camera roll using the color palettes that come with pretty much every product from Digitally Speaking in the iStore. Now in the last video, and if you haven't seen the last video, I'll link it below. You'll want to go back and watch it because I showed you how to add this washi to your planner. And of course, I showed you two different directions that you can take the washi. And this several part series is I'm going to be showing you how to make all of these stickers so that you can add them to your layouts and customize your page, personalize it to something that you enjoy looking at every day. Okay, so the reason that you would want to add the color palettes to the camera roll is so that you can color coordinate your layouts to match and have the colors flow. What you'll do with these colors that you add to the camera roll is you're going to be adding them and changing the colors to these keynote shapes. If you haven't been to the Digitally Speaking iStore yet, it is filled with so many shapes that you can bring into Keynote, and you can design your own stickers for the iPlanner. You can customize and personalize these stickers to your color palette. You can size them to your planner page. You don't necessarily have to have the iPlanner to create these stickers for your planner page. However, there are a lot of Keynote templates that I've created that fit perfectly in the iPlanner. For example, this washi that I added, it's got the circle cutout or the signature spiral cutout that fits perfectly onto the spiral for all the planners. So it doesn't matter which iPlanner layout you're using, the signature spiral is the same on all of them. And it also matches all the iJournals as well. Alright, so let's go over to Palettes Pro. If you're not familiar with Palettes Pro, this is what it looks like. Of course, it's not going to look like this when you first open it up or when you first purchase it, because I do a lot of color matching here. So I've got a lot of palettes going on. Many, many, many. And like I said, most all of the Digitally Speaking iStore products come with its own palette to match. So what I'm going to do is, since I've already added the Cassidy palette to the camera roll, I'm going to work on Shelby this time and go through it step by step for you. So to do that, I need to go to my categories, and I've got a category that I've created here called palettes, and these are all the palettes that come with all the products. So all the collections come with a palette, all the iPlanners come with a palette. So I'm going to navigate to the Shelby palette, and I'm just going to do a screenshot. And now that I have a screenshot, I can bring it in to Palettes Pro. So I'm going to tap right here on this camera. Go to Photo Library and grab that screenshot that I just did. Now I'm going to scroll over the color that I want to grab, and you do this by swiping till you have the crosshairs covering or hovering over your color. Once you have it where you want it, you're going to tap Pick, and it changes this color bar up here. Now I'm going to press and hold on the color bar, and it opens a full screen of that color. For this, I'm going to do a screenshot because I want to add all of these colors to my camera roll. So by pressing the home button and the on-off switch, now that's been added to the camera roll. Tap the screen, scroll down to the next color, tap pick, press and hold the color bar, do a screenshot, and scroll to the next color. Pick, press and hold the color bar, screenshot. See how easy it is and quickly to grab all of these colors that are in the palette. And now you have a nice big square added to your camera roll to color coordinate with your Shelby planner. And you'll also notice when you open up the big window from the color bar, you have all your hex and RGB and everything down here. So all the information about this color is provided. I think the colors in the Shelby planners are so pretty. And Shelby is actually just like all the other themes. There's 5 different layouts available in the Shelby. You've got the daily weekly, the weekly horizontal, the weekly vertical, and the weekly vertical hourly. So there's 5 layouts available, and depending on what layout you choose, you can continue personalizing and customizing your planner even further by following these videos and seeing how I plan and decorate my pages. Okay, here's the last one. And now I'm going to go to my camera roll and show you all of those have been added. And here they are. These are all that I just added. So that's how you would add your color palette to the camera roll. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use this palette to create beautiful stickers that go with your Shelby theme. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. And if you missed the first one, go down to the description and click on the link so that you can get caught up. I'm also linking in the description all of the products that I've talked about in this series of videos. Until next time, everyone. Bye.